So, and I have to have the charge
Yeah.
to do it.
Hello.
I think that they were only all.
Hey.
That sounds okay.
I'm at White's. I just texted you to see if you were home.
Now, let's see, what am I gonna do, press it, or? I'll press it and that'll save it, right?
Okay, no, I was, the only reason is to transfer the
I think it's
ticket.
there.
And,
flash.
yeah, send me info on.
That's always flash.
I'm not sure what I need.
This is a flaw in the mechanism. It always flashes, you can't turn the bumper off. That seems incredible, but I Googled it, I read it, I checked with AI, I did everything, turned it off, and said, well, that's a common complaint about the
Oh,
lights, that you
that's
can't
okay.
turn the bumper off.
Oh, well, I understand.
No, I mean, that's wrong. I mean, that's just bad design. Because it drives me crazy, I'm up here all night.
Non-stop flashing lights.
Yeah, see, that has a big long.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what was that they used to do. I don't think. But now we're TV. So.
Yeah, now it's just whatever you do. I guess that's actually more crisp.
Well, why don't you send Tracy fun guy? Oh, yeah. It's always,
Yeah, that's
a tempo on it.
Let's save that.
I don't mind.
Yeah, everything's dry and
Yeah,
the
hang on.
guitar's
All right, let's save.
Thanks. Yeah.
I'm gonna drop it.
Most of them walk out. Most of them don't even fight.
Yes, with Scott. I'm not sure where they're sitting.